Right, welcome to another video and this lovely Mk3 2022 plate TT. This has come in for a very popular upgrade, which is the factory front OPS, so then tacking onto the rear OPS it's already got, and a factory reversing camera. Like I said, dead popular because it just completes that parking package that a lot of these cars tend not to come with. So in the installation, obviously you get a full new grab bar that goes on the boot lid with the molded in camera and everything. Still integrates all the the push button for opening the boot and things. So that's all brand new. That all then gets routed through to the front and connected into all of the 5F unit that's in the glove box. And then obviously that all gets coded in as well. And then the front sensors, you get your two outer body coloured sensors. So on this one we've got a lovely blue, and they are tucked down here by the washer caps either side. And then you also get your grille mounted center ones that go in and sit nicely in their seated position in the grille there in their factory mounts. So obviously it all just looks as sleek as it should do from factory. And then obviously that all gets coded in, and once it's all working, comes up on the central dash display, as with all the things in these TTs, because it's all that nice driver focused area. So yeah, that's about it really. All just works as it should do from factory, and it's all in and has now upgraded this car a real treat, and will make it a lot easier for parking, because I think some people maybe find some of the blind spots a bit big on these. But yeah, lovely car, beautifully upgraded. And if you've got something like this and you'd like to upgrade your car, or anything else really that you know that we do, then get in contact, jump on the contact form, give us a bell, or come and see us, and then we'll see what we can do for you. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.